All right, team, we're going to go ahead and move into the Page Plus bill pay. So what we're going to go do here is we're going to go look up our customer. These are the easiest, but a little bit, tricky. If you don't know what you're doing, this is why we're doing this video. So what we're doing here right now, we're going to go and add item. Right now, mind you, this is Page Plus. There's no multi-line redemption pop-ups. It's just straight pins. This is probably the best provider in order for training. So what we do is we hit pins. So now, it doesn't matter if the customer had service or not, if he's overdue. This customer particularly likes $29.95. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Again, if there is a credit card fee, we apply it. And we're going to go ahead and ring the transaction out. So once we ring the transaction out, it's again going to pull that receipt up we were looking at earlier. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that pin, write it down, and we're going to go to, you guessed it, CFDAP. Now, if the customer is still in service, what we do is go to pin redemption, and we would go ahead and input everything and apply the pin later. If you apply the pin now, it would take effect that instant. So unless the customer asks specifically for that, we would always hit apply pin later. So now we're going to move into the second scenario where the customer no longer has service and just needs to be reactivated. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this activate with pin tab. Again, we've seen this before. We could read this. Very useful. We're going to click on the respective service provider, which is Page Plus. Again, we're going to click reactivation. We're going to hit the PIN number, whatever it may be, and then the phone number associated with the account. Now, how do we know that this is actually the service? So here we go. We go to customer lookup, make sure that this is the correct customer. We look them up by phone number. The last thing we want to do is charge them for a PIN that is not compatible with the service. So first, we got to make sure. And this is what I'm doing right now. Page Plus usually takes a little bit longer to load up on the screen. As you can see here, our customer's still active. They have the $29.95 plan. Boom. So we're 100% guaranteed that this is the plan and that is the service provider. So we can go ahead and finish stringing them out, make sure everything's good. But this is the process. This is the only process for Page Plus. This is the only way we get it done. Now, if at all this system should ever go down and we need to make the payment, you can simply just open up a new tab and go to the refill page on Total Wireless, on Page Plus, and we automatically apply the PIN here. The PIN came from us, so we will still get the credit. However, this is just if this system, the CFDAP portal, is down. That is the only reason we would use that. All right, and then that's it. That's really it for Page Plus. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or any administrators, and we'll take care of your problem.